Give it back. Okay, we're in Paramus right now, and we have an extraordinary candidate running for assembly in Paramus. So I think it's fair to give her the first chance. Damala Robinson, please.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is, I'm first of all, I'm thankful for all of you being here. Some of you may have received texts, mailers, all kinds of things to try and get you here, and it's really important for our democracy that, we have this level of involvement. So my name is Damala Robinson. I'm running for State Assembly in District 38. I am a resident of Glen Rock. I've grown up in New Jersey. I have been in the military for 16 years, so I'm a major in the U.S. Army. I work at Hackensack University Medical Center. I'm a nurse anesthetist. I've dedicated my life to healthcare. One of my very first jobs between being a lifeguard and working in EMS in an inner city environment for over 10 years. I've been able to work with people, work alongside people, and lead people in and out of the military, in healthcare, everywhere I go as a change agent that's able to work with people regardless of their party affiliation. And so if there's any kind of legacy that I have from my type of leadership, it's that I'm responsive to the people, I'm accountable to the people, and I work alongside with the people. There's so many things that I could say about Legislative District 38, and one of the stark contrasts that I had the opportunity to talk about yesterday was about how this district actually went by 0.1% to Trump, which is unique to many of the other election years for our presidential election. So regardless of what people are saying about what is happening, whether it's in Bergen County, in the state of New Jersey, across the country, what I'm focused on is what I'm doing right here. Working on the Board of Education. I've been on the Board of Education for 5 years. I've been the board president in Glen Rock for the past 2 years, and it is a tumultuous time to be in leadership. It's hard to even be in leadership, in a leadership role, as well as running for office. It's very, very challenging. But I think that these are challenging times, and what you all are asking for is for people to continue to do that work and to think differently. And so that's why I'm here. So thank you.